Dr. Owen Brink with Blue Ridge Family Practice. We're going to go into a little bit deeper review of what the brain does in addiction, specifically which regions of the brain are involved in addiction, what neurotransmitters are involved, where do those regions receive input from, project to, and what are the functions of these regions. This is really a very complex area, and there's a bit of information on the web page, some charts and tables that I've prepared. There are links available on that page that will bring you to these areas if you have more curiosity about exactly how everything fits together. This is a picture of the brain, specifically the brain of a sex addict. The neural pathways have been highlighted to show what connections there are from which regions of the brain to the other, which neurotransmitters are involved, basic information. You can see from down here at the spinal cord, at the very basic level of the brain, addiction is going on. It's a very primitive based structure. It ascends to the medulla oblongata, to the pons, has branches to the cerebellum, a whole lot of activity going on in the midbrain and in the forebrain here. And then from there, it projects all over the cerebral cortices, from the frontal lobes all the way back to the occipital lobes, where usually vision is processed. So the addiction really does involve all different aspects of the brain. It's a very, very complex disease with many, many parts involved. On our website, we have a lot of information with links that can be accessed, including some tables that I've put together that go into a great deal more detail as far as these different regions, neurotransmitters, the drugs that affect them. Anybody who has an interest in knowing more about the science behind the disease of addiction is welcome to click on those links and kind of peruse them at your leisure. This is not essential for getting sober and getting into some good recovery, but anybody with an interest, I took the time to put this information together, and you might find it of interest.